Yeah. So I have a coin. Uh,
Anustu,
Rajiv, you
please
call.
call.
Rajiv, you call, yeah?
Okay.
Do your
Heads.
duty.
Okay, it's tails.
Okay. So we win the toss, right?
Yeah.
We'll go first.
Okay. So one member from each team is keeping scores and hoping.
Yeah, I'll be keeping scores for our team.
Yeah, I'm keeping scores for us.
So yeah, let's move on. So first to East India Company.
Yeah, I'll take 8,000.
Okay. First question. The Rupal phase is the world's largest rock wall, rising some 4,700 meters from base to summit, and is the south face of which mountain, the ninth tallest in the world? The largely snow-free condition of the Rupal phase gives the mountain its name.
What is 3010?
It's a timer.
Oh, okay. Is it Chonglu?
Not the right answer. Cannot be.
Vedabhyas 5 fingers here.
Okay, Chari, go for it.
Nanga Parbat.
Is the right answer. So 1 point to East India Company. Second question. It was the first 8,000 meter peak ever successfully climbed in 1950, but with a fatality rate of 32%, it's the deadliest of the 14 8,000. It is also the site of Nepal's worst ever trekking disaster with 43 people killed in October 24. Which mountain is named so as its streams provide water for the agricultural fields and pastures at its foot?
It's a bad topic to choose. Bad omen. Don't know. I'll go with Cholmangalu again for lack of a better guess.
Not the right answer. You can nominate.
I know this.
5 fingers again.
Chari, go for it.
Annapurna.
Is indeed the right answer. So 1 point again. So 2021 calling Rajiv will be your first.
Does anyone want to go first?
Santosh will go.
Does anyone want to go first?
No,
No,
go ahead,
Santosh. No problem.
All right, then I'll do Interwards.
So first question in Interwards. The Cecil B. DeMille Award is awarded for outstanding contributions to the world of entertainment by the Hollywood Foreign Press Association as part of the Golden Globe Award ceremony this year. Who was the first recipient in 1952?
I say Cecil B. DeMille himself.
Is the right answer.
Excellent.
Ain't no Ent Awards means entertainment awards. Okay.
Yeah.
My bad.
Aha.
Yeah, so second question in the round. Which award is given in the form of a statuette that is a nude male figure holding both a mask of comedy and a mask of tragedy called the actor? Morgan Freeman complained, it works from the back, but from the front, it's gender specific.
Okay, since time's done out, I'll just say the BAFTA.
Not the BAFTA.
Rajiv, I'm more or less sure about this.
Yeah, Anustu, go ahead.
This is the Screen Actors Guild Awards.
What I was going for.
That's the right answer. That's 1 point to 2021 call. Okay, now second team member from Eastern.
I think I'm going second. Military ranks, please.
Okay, military ranks. First question, military rank. Which rank ultimately comes from medieval Arabic for military command? The Arabic suffix that normally follows such Arabic titles was assumed by Europeans as a substantive word, Latinized and added to them.
Admiral.
Is the right answer. 2 points to question. Second question in the round. Which word once meant an officer in the British Army below the rank of captain?
Subaltern. Subaltern.
Is the right answer. And we close the round. Now, second team member from 2021.
Yeah, I am supposed to go. Nothing nice here, yeah.
Some chai tea latte something.
Okay, fine. I'll go with chai tea latte. Santosh, you please support.
That was going to be my second choice. That's all. The only reason why.
The chai tea latte nation. So question 1. In Mandarin, it's Kucha, literally pearl tea or bee tea. What odd name is given in English to this form of Chinese tea, in which each leaf has been rolled into a small round pellet? The name may come from its appearance or from Mandarin for freshly brewed. Gang Pao Day.
I will go with bubble tea.
Not the right answer. Team cap.
I have a guess.
Yeah, I'm sure of it.
Okay, then
Okay,
go for it.
okay,
Udupa,
Udupa,
go
go.
for it.
Gunpowder tea.
Yes, that was my guess.
Is the right.
Lovely.
Shouldn't have taken this topic, man. I don't know much of tea.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Second question on the round. Darjeeling tea is often sold by not just single estates like wine, but also by harvesting season, for which first, second monsoon and autumn are distinct. These harvesting seasons are known by what word or term, whose usage is nearly exclusive to tea from this part of it?
I'll go with flush.
That's the right answer.
Lovely. Lovely.
Okay. Got something.
2 points there. To
Gunpowder was there in the question. Gunpowder. You just put it.
Yeah. No, I don't think Rajiv knows about gunpowder.
No, I don't know.
Okay, so third team member from Isenacom.
Yeah, I'll go with AI.
AI, first question on AI. It is played with 3 people, a man, a woman, and an interrogator who may be of either sex. The interrogator stays in a room apart from the other 2. The object of the game for the interrogator is to determine which of the other 2 is the man and which is the woman. Which test for machine intelligence was proposed and named by Alan Turing in 1951? It is now called the Turing.
Oxo.
Not the right answer. Team captain cannot.
I am sure of it.
Okay, go for it.
The imitation game.
This is the right answer. 1 point. Okay, so second question in the round. In 2013, IBM's Watson got a square filter, and at which online resource purged from its vocabulary after it started using cross language at random points in its response? Last 10 seconds.
No idea.
Okay, captain can nominate.
Is anyone taking a shot?
No.
I can take a guess.
Okay, go for it.
Is it the Urban Dictionary?
This is the right answer.
Well done.
Nice.
Okay, now the third team member from
Udupa.
Yeah, I'll go with footwear.
footwear. Okay, so the first question footwear. The shoe was created by a doctor in the German World War II army who hurt his ankles while skiing. It designed improvements on the army boots with soft leather and air-padded soles made of tires. And these comfortable shoes were eventually adopted by Middle East. Which brand is
Hush puppies.
not the right answer?
I have a guess and I'm reasonably sure.
Okay, Anusub, then you go ahead with it.
This is Dr. Scholl's.
That was the other thing I
Right
had.
answer passes to East India Company.
Oh, no.
Passes.
That was my doubt. Okay.
I have a choice. I have a guess.
Yeah, I have a guess too, but yeah.
Shall I go with it?
Okay, Charlie, go for it.
Doc Martens.
Doc Martin was the other thing.
Yes,
Yeah, this
that
could
was
have
my
been the
guess
other one,
too.
no?
Cool. So second question around. In April 2021, the company offered full refunds to purchasers of its Satan shoes and Jesus shoes, which were launched in 2019 after Nike threatened to sue them. Earlier, the company offered 76,000 USD Birkenstocks made from deconstructed Hermes Birkin bags, gold buckles, and actual Birkenstock box sole. Which Brooklyn collective, which runs on unstructured chaos, and whose founding CEO Gabriel Bailey obviously has no use for vowels, is this?
Going to guess Supreme, spelled SPRM.
Not the right answer. Team captain.
I have no idea.
Santosh?
I have a shot in the dark.
Okay, go ahead.
Is it something along the lines of NCX?
No, passes to East India Company.
I'll go for it. It's Mischief. MSCHF.
Is the right answer.
Horrible choice of topic.
As usual.
Now, fourth team member from East India.
Yeah, it's me, I think. I'll go for gymnastics.
Okay, so first question on gymnastics. Backward somersault that ends. I think there's an echo. Yeah. A backward somersault that ends with the gymnast straddling the beam and now named for her. Which gymnast nicknamed Sparrow Cummins first performed this in the 1972 Olympics? This gymnast also has a flip named for her, which is performed on the uneven bars. It was eventually banned because it was too dangerous.
Okay. I'll go with Yurchenko.
Not the right answer. Passes.
I think I'm fairly sure.
Okay, go for it.
Olga Korbut.
Is the right answer.
Lovely.
Second question in the round. Oksana Chusovitina, Yelena Prudunova, Mitsuo Tsukahara, Natalia Yurchenko, Simona Amalar, Shenkpe, and Kyle Schufel all have moves named for them in which gymnastics?
Vault.
Is the right answer. 2 points to East India Company. Now, last team member of 2021.
Yeah, I'll take life and chemistry.
First question, life and chemistry. At the end of the 19th century, French pharmacologist Raphael Dubois discovered that the root of bioluminescence was from a heat-stable organic molecule, which when oxidized by an enzyme gave out the light that we are familiar with. What do we now call this organic molecule and its enzyme? Don't be bedeviled, one of the two.
This is luciferin and luciferase.
Is the right answer. 2 points there. And second question. GFP can be spliced into all kinds of DNA sequences to serve as a marker in living cells and is widely used in biological research. This discovery is considered one of the greatest biological discoveries ever and won Roger White, Cien, Osamu Shimomura, and Martin Chalfie the 2008 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Where did the trio first isolate GFP from? Knowing what GFP stands for would.
Yeah, GFP stands for green fluorescent protein, and I think they isolated in blue-green algae in algae.
Not the right answer. Captain cannot.
Reasonably,
Based on this, you are sure?
Udupa
now?
has a guess.
yeah,
Udupa?
reasonably sure.
Sorry?
I'm reasonably sure.
Okay, go ahead.
Cyanobacteria.
Not the answer I have. Passes to Eastern.
Does anyone have a guess? Okay. I guess I'll take a shot. Is it seeds or something? Genetically modified seeds or something?
Not the right answer.
Is it sea urchin or something? Okay.
Jellyfish.
It's jelly.
Black ops, the black ops, black ops.
GFP indeed stood
Sorry,
for
guys.
green.
It is green fluorescent protein, but it doesn't help
Yeah.
you get to jellyfish.
Clearly, the setter overestimated our effort. Okay. 2 questions remaining in the round. First would be to East India Company.
What do you want to go with?
Philippines, I think.
The Filipinos are much easier than the ancient humans.
Let's
Okay.
go.
Okay.
Thanks,
So you're
Philippines.
choosing- Thanks, Philip. Okay. So first question in the round. Which Philippine signature dish involves a marinade made of vinegar, garlic, soy sauce or fish sauce, black peppercorns and bay leaves? The dish bears the name of a Spanish dish, though the cooking methods are only superficially.
Any idea about Spanish dish?
Can we discuss this?
Yeah, we can discuss this.
Okay.
Yeah,
so-
yeah, we can.
All right. So Spanish dish would be the first one which springs to mind is paella.
But it has rice and all those stuff.
That's right.
Yeah, this is a marinade. Vinegar, garlic, soy sauce.
Last 10 seconds.
Let's say paya, I guess, or something. Paya.
Chimichurri or something. Chimichurri is Latin American,
Chimichurri is
right?
Just
So,
say
yeah.
something. Say something.
Time's up, right? I'll have to-
All right. Let's
Go
go
with paya. Paya.
Not the right answer. Passing to 2021.
It doesn't pass.
Oh,
It
sorry.
doesn't pass.
Yeah, my bad. The right answer is adobo. Okay, so the second question in the round.
Heard
On
this.
October 1st, 1975, how was Carlos Sonny Dolorico Padilla Jr. at the center stage of a very significant sport?
So this should be Thriller in Manila, right?
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah.
But wasn't it 74?
Once.
No, I think it was 75.
I mean,
Yeah.
sporting event 70s had to
I
be
think
Thriller in
Yeah.
Manila. So he might have been the referee, I think, or something.
Yeah. Referee.
Okay. It's called a referee in boxing, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, Prashant is saying that he was the referee at the Thriller in Manila match.
Is the right answer. 2 points, Christian. So the only remaining topic, which is ancient humans, now for
Also known
2020.
as Rajiv Rai.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
The Homo floresiensis were ancient humans that lived between 100,000 and 50,000 years ago.
This is hobbits.
Hobbits.
Is the right answer.
Oh,
Hobbits
lovely.
of math. Second question in the round. The first few bone fragments and teeth of this ancient humans were discovered in Siberia. The jawbones have also been recently discovered in Tibet.
This is
And
Denis-
the name for a cave in Siberia located in the Alpine.
These are Denisovians, right?
Sorry?
Makes sense.
Denisovians.
Yeah.
Go ahead, Udupa, say it.
Denisovians.
Is the right answer.
Super.
We should have gone with this.
Yeah, anyways.
Retrospect, everyone's
I didn't know any one of these.
Do we do score check now or do we do one at the end of packet?
let's do it at the end of the round.
Okay.
What?
Cool.
Court check.
Score check. Let us do score check.
Score check end of the round, yeah, please. So,
Do we want A or B, Vidyas?
Let's go with A.
All right.
Okay. Team round A. First question. For long awarded at the main Oscar ceremony, it's named after a Danish-American screen actor who served as president of the motion
Irving
picture.
Thalberg, bro.
No, no.
No.
This
29 awardees so far include Jerry Lewis, Audrey Hepburn, Angelina Jolie, and Oprah.
so this is the
Who it is named for or what it's award?
so this is the Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah. Right. Yes.
Correct.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
So
fine.
final answer.
Jean Hersholt Humanitarian Award or philanthropic activities, basically, if you've done anything related to that.
It's the right answer.
Jean Hersholt, yeah.
Okay. Second question around. What's common to these? A performance test designed in the early 90s by Danish physiologist Jens Bangsbo. A Philippine export once called Bangalore. Paris-born classical musician with 18 Grammys and initiator of the Silk Road Project. Collaboration promoting multiculturalism among artists and it's
Should be Yo-Yo, right?
Sorry?
Yeah.
Yo-Yo
Yo-yo
Ma.
test, yo-yo ma. Exactly.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Yo-Yo.
Yo-yo.
is the right answer. 2 points. Last question. The islands of Southeast Asia were once inhabited by 2 species of miniature humans. The first discovered being Homo floresiensis. In 2019, the second hobbit species was discovered in which large island? Today, the 4th most populous island in the world.
Should be Sumatra, right?
Yeah, I was also thinking the
Java or
same.
Sumatra?
Yeah, which one of the two? That's what I
I
was
think
confused
4th
about.
most populous is Sumatra. I'm not sure.
Take a majority. I'll go with whatever the majority.
I
Take
think
a-
Sumatra.
What's the first? What's the first? Go with that. First is
Sumatra, right?
Yeah, Sumatra.
all right. So let's go with Sumatra then.
Okay. Sumatra then.
Wait.
Not the right answer.
Damn.
We can pass it to 21 calling Rajiv. for
No, it
Brownie.
doesn't pass, no?
No, I mean,
Yeah,
for
I mean
Brownie.
for non-comp.
Java, I'm guessing.
No, Java is the largest, so this would
Borneo.
be New Guinea, Borneo or something.
Borneo. I was thinking.
This is actually Luzon.
Luzon
Yeah.
Oh,
in the Philippines.
yeah.
So, team round B now to 2021 calling that. First question in the round. What's the name of journalist John Krakauer's 1997 non-fiction?
Into thin air. It's called.
Correct. Into thin air is our answer.
Beautiful. That's the right answer. Second question. In the round. Adopted in the 14th century and used till Napoleon caused this republic's dissolution in 1797. The banner of Saint Mark carried which mythical or religious creature?
This is the Lion of Saint Mark, the winged lion.
This is Venice, so it has to be.
Winged. No, he wants the creature, not the republic. Which creature?
I know. So the winged
The
lion.
winged lion. The winged lion. The winged lion of Mark.
Venice.
Saint Mark.
That's the right answer. Beautiful. So last question of the first one. Oksana Chusovitina, who has 5 moves in gymnastics named for her, also represented 5 national teams in her career. USSR, Germany, CIS, Unified Team, and which other nation once a part of the Soviet Union and where her birthplace is located?
This is the.
Yeah, we have to choose between Ukraine, Belarus, one of those.
No, from the name, does it look Oksana?
Sounds very Belarus kind of a name.
Is it?
Okay, let's go with this. Santosh, anything?
As good as any. I don't know.
Okay, we'll go with Belarus.
Not the right answer. East India Company can take a shot. No point.
Romania.
Is it Ukraine?
Latvia.
Uzbekistan.
We weren't going there. Not in the first 5 guesses at least.
So we can do a score check in the time I switch between slides.
Yeah, so I have East India Company as 19 and 2021 calling Rajiv at 16.
Yeah, I
is
have
that-
the same. Yeah, I have the same.
We'll stick to the same order, right?
Yeah.
So,
Cool. So this time, 2021 calling was first, right?
Yeah.
Oh, God. Any suggestions?
How good are you with chess?
Sorry.
Not very. You know what? Now, since nothing sounds good, if no one objects, I'll take business.
Go for it.
Go ahead.
I'll do business.
Okay.
First question, founded in 1910 by Namihei Odaira, the name of which Japanese multinational conglomerate company comes from kanji characters meaning sunrise. The company is present in a variety of sectors such as construction machinery, elevators, escalators, defense systems, nuclear power plant, etc. One of their products, called the Magic Wand, meant for relaxing muscles, was featured in a 2002 episode of Sex and the City and became popular for a niche purpose.
I'll say Hitachi.
That's the right answer. Second question. Blank and the Holocaust, the strategic alliance between Nazi Germany and America's most powerful corporation, is a 2001 book about which company, whose systems were used by the Nazi regime in cataloging and identifying Jews.
I'll say IBM.
That's correct.
Super.
Excellent.
So,
Man, what topics?
Yeah, I'll take books
This was
about
the least bad.
books about sports.
okay. First question on books about sports. Story and Legacy of Summer of 1976 is the subtitle of this book by David Dawson, based on England's 1976 Test series with West Indies. The one-word title of the book comes from an offensive remark made by Tony Greig before the start of the series. Tony Greig, who's written the foreword to the book, has stated that he regretted making that remark. Identify the title, verb defined as an act in an obsequious way, in order to obtain someone's forgiveness or favor. Last 10.
I'll say brown beat.
Not the right answer.
I'm quite sure of it. I'm sure of it,
I'm
Bedbeth.
certain.
I'm
Go for it.
Okay, it's Grovel.
Grubble. We're going to make them grubble.
Yeah, right. You're gonna make them grow.
Yes, all the people had their hands raised. choose it.
Okay. Second question. The blank, the authorized story of American gold, tells a story about the 1996 US Olympic women's gymnastics team that won the first ever gold medal in the women's team competition in the 96 Olympics. The team was Shannon Miller, Dominique Mokinau, Dominique Dawes, Kerry Struck, Amy Shaw, Amanda Gordon, and JC Fell. What two words fill in the blank?
Supreme 7.
Not the right answer. Team captain cannot.
Anyone taking a shot?
I think I have a guess.
Okay, I don't see anyone else saying anything. Okay, go for it.
Stupendous 7.
Not the right answer. Passes to.
Udupa, you're sure?
Yeah, sure.
I'm also sure. Udupa?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, go ahead.
The Magnificent Seven.
Sorry?
The Magnificent Seven.
Yeah, the Magnificent.
The right answer.
Lovely.
Damn. The film.
Now, second team.
Oh, it's not.
Rajiv, yes.
Right? I'll go with islands in Europe.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
how do we do these things? I do not know.
First question from islands in Europe. Meaning new land in Russian, which archipelago in the Arctic Ocean comprises the northern Severny Island and the southern Yushny Island. It is a nuclear test site during the Cold War era, and the most powerful nuclear weapon ever created was tested in the site. Two words.
So, slight variation, it might be. The answer is Nova Zemlya.
Yeah, I think that's good enough to be given.
Novia.
Yeah, that's fine. Perfectly fine.
Second question, mountain range located to the northwestern coast. The Serra de Tramontana is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in which island? The largest in the Balearic Islands, part of Spain, and the Mediterranean Sea. The name comes from Latin for larger.
It is Majorca, or it has another name, but Majorca is one of them.
That will get you 2
Beautiful.
Good.
Now, second team member from East.
Crikey. Okay. Asian history.
Okay, so first question, Asian history. September 12 is celebrated as Runama Day, Runama being a book written by the former president of the country. In 2002, the then government of the country announced the renaming of the months of the year. Some of these decisions have been since reversed by a successor, President Gurbanguly Berdimuhamedov. Which country?
Kyrgyzstan.
Not the right answer. Captain can nominate.
I am more or less certain. Not 100%.
I'm 100% sure. It's Kazakhstan.
Fastest
No,
to 20
no,
got this.
no,
Announced already.
no.
Yeah, Santosh.
Santosh, 100%?
Basically,
Huh? 100, right? Because
Yeah.
I'm also okay. Go ahead.
Turkmenistan.
Right.
Yeah.
Turkmen-
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, seriously.
Second question, Asian history. The president of this Central Asian country, Askar Akaye, was ousted in 2005 as a result of a movement referred to after which member of the order Lilialis?
I'll go with Kyrgyzstan again.
Not the right answer. Team captain can nominate.
Anyone wants to take a shot?
I can take a shot, but I'm not very sure.
I have no guess, so
Can you just go back and prompt him about the question? If you don't, I'm sorry. The question is a little vague.
No,
It's
the
clear,
answer
yeah?
is
The question is clear. Which member
question
of
is
the
clear.
order Lilialis?
Okay.
which member of the order Lilialis?
Shiroshidi, take a shot.
Oh, okay. Referred to after which member? Okay. Sorry. I honestly don't know what order Lilialis refers to. It must be some flower. So water lily. I don't know.
Fastest to 20.
Udupa, you are sure?
Yeah. Reasonably.
Oh, okay, go ahead.
Jasmine Revolution.
Not the right answer.
Tunisia, no, this has to be rose or something. Okay,
This is
Tunisia.
Oh,
Jasmine is Tunisia. Okay.
Jasmine is Tunisia.
And-
Rose
Yeah, I
is
didn't
Georgia, so it is not.
I was
Asian.
going with rose, but turns out to be tulip. Okay.
okay, now third team member from 2021.
Udupa, you.
I will go with art.
Oh, there was art. Is
brave
it?
man, brave man.
I didn't see art.
First question in the round.
I'm trusting you guys to back me up.
Rene Magritte's Copper Handcuffs is a 1932 artwork that's created using a reduced scale, pre-existing plaster version of which statue? He painted the head in white and the draped legs in.
I'm guessing Venus de Milo.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Lovely.
My guess also.
Great guess, Udupa. Great guess.
Second question. Creator of works such as Untitled, Anshel 1934 and subject of works such as Keeping Woman 1937, painted by another person. Identify the artist who was born Henrietta Theodora Markovich on November 22nd, 1907.
I'm going to guess Laura Carrington.
Not the right answer. Team captain.
I'm sure, more or less sure. Anybody else?
Okay, go.
Yeah, no.
I think this is Picasso's wife, Dora Maar.
Is the right answer.
Beautiful.
Nice.
1 point. Now third team member from East India Company.
Oh yeah, Theodora Markovich. Yeah, Dora Maar is there. In the name.
And 1937 is there. So to both
I'll
put
go with-
together, what is?
I went with Dali's friend instead of.
Why don't you go for it?
Jesus in history.
Sieges and history.
Sieges in history. Okay.
The first question is around the grandson of Genghis Khan, Batu Khan's army laid siege to and eventually destroyed which city, the present-day East European capital on the river Danube. The city was then ruled by the Principality of Halych-Volhynia. The name may also remind you of a class of aircraft carriers.
Sofia?
Not the right answer. Team captain. No.
Someone take a shot. Someone just take a shot.
Sorry,
Okay.
are you going?
Go with it, Trish.
No, I would have said Warsaw.
Fine.
Passes to 2021 calling.
I have a guess.
Go ahead, Anustup.
Go.
Santosh, nothing, right?
No, nothing.
Okay, go, Anustup.
Is this Minsk?
Oh, lovely.
Not the right answer, unfortunately.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, there is a Minsk class listing and there is a
There is
Kiev
a Kiev
class.
also. Oh, you
There
are
is a
there.
Kiev class and a Minsk class.
You got the neighbor. You went to the neighbor. It's okay.
Second question is around. During the 100 Years' War, Edward III of England laid siege to which France port city? Edward III laid the condition that the citizens should surrender the city and 6 prominent members of the city council. This is commemorated in the late 19th century art.
Le Havre.
No.
Not the right answer. Team captain.
For the Piaz, I'm sure.
Sorry, go for it.
Calais. Burgers of Calais.
Yeah.
Okay. So now the fourth number from
Shit, I'm
2020.
dead.
Carls, maybe I can provide
no
a little bit
idea
of
what
backup.
to do. I don't know anything.
I like
Cults religious groups is very quizzy, so we can rely on general knowledge. Jazz royalty, you cannot.
Okay.
Psychology,
Cults, religious groups. I shall bow to the wishes of my team.
women political leaders is also there, no? Women political leaders.
Let
No?
it be there.
Okay.
I like the sound of cults more.
Okay. So first question around. In March 97, followers of the American religious cult Heaven's Gate committed mass suicide, timing it with the approach of which celestial object named after 2 American astronauts.
I'm confused between two now. I think this is Hale Bopp.
Is the right answer.
Yeah, thank God.
Yeah. Which is the other one?
Schumacher Levy.
Second question around. A self-confessed atheist who said he belonged to a church of the Flying Spaghetti Monster. In 2011, Austrian Nico Arm won the right to have his photo on his driving license wearing what headgear? The term comes from Latin for to strain.
This must be the Colander.
Beautiful.
Is the right.
Good choice, good choice.
Good choice. See that? Cult.
So the last team member from Eastern Europe.
Yeah, I'll go with what seems to be the most
Women political
accessible.
leaders.
Yeah, yeah.
Women political leaders.
Yeah.
Clickbait.
So first question around. In office since 21st March 2015 and the first woman to serve as Prime Minister of this country, Sara Kugongelwa Amadila is the Prime Minister of which country? She is a member of the political party Southwest Africa People's Organization, which played a key role in the country's independence movement. The country became independent in 1990.
But it is
1990. South Sudan.
Not the right
I'm
answer.
fairly sure.
I'm sure of it. I'm sure of it.
Go for it, Chari.
Namibia. Swapo.
Swapo was Namibia.
yeah. I was wondering why that was given.
No, without that,
I
it
didn't
is
even
not-
look at it.
Second question. In 2017, Anna Brnabic became the first woman and first openly gay person to become the Prime Minister of the Eastern European country. Her remarks in 2018 denying that the 1995 massacre was an act of genocide was criticized by the President of the UN War Crimes Court in The Hague.
All very wavy hands.
Last 5 seconds.
Poland.
I'm sure of it, Bedbias.
Right answer.
Go for it, Chari.
Serbia.
That's the right
And that's denying genocide can only be
Serbia, yeah. What happened?
Okay, so 2021 polling gradually we have a choice
Which
between
one?
psychology and jazz.
In between the
Which
two, I
one?
like jazz more.
I'm
Okay, you
partial. to-
need to get at least one, huh, Udupa? Shall we take? So, Jazz, you also know a few, right?
A little bit, yeah, here and there. Okay, let's go.
Okay, so jazz royalty it is. First question. In 1999, the centennial year of his birth, which jazz legend was posthumously awarded the Special Pulitzer in recognition of his musical genius, which evoked aesthetically the principles of democracy through the medium of jazz, and thus made an indelible contribution to art and culture. He was awarded the Grammy for his score of the 1959 film Anatomy of a Murder.
I think Anatomy of a Murder, I think, was Duke Ellington. He appears also in a scene, but I'm not sure.
If you have a guess.
I think
What is your guess, Santosh?
No, I
Okay,
mean, if you,
discuss.
Anatomy for Murder, Duke Ellington is right. I remember.
yeah, that's it. Sounds good.
He even appears in one scene or something like that.
Then go for it. Go for it.
No, it is a discussion. Yeah? Anything else you have to add? Otherwise, you'll go.
No, let's go with Duke Ellington. I remember.
Okay, Duke Ellington.
Is the right answer.
Beautiful.
Good, good, good.
Second question in the round. Some of the tracks in this 1966 album include
This
Underneath the
song-
Bank Tree, Girl Trouble, Kingston Calypso, etc.
Count
Title
Basie, Count Basie.
On Basie is right. Basie meets one.
is the right answer.
So, Udupa, you lived up to your one question.
Okay, so psychology for Mr. Dev. First question. Represented at the top of Maslow's hierarchy of needs, about what hyphenated term is
Self-actualization.
What?
Self-actualization, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And quizzing is one way to self-actualize.
Okay.
Right. So second question. Kubler-Ross's 5 stages of grief model are denial, anger, dash, depression, and acceptance. What transactional term fills in the blank? In a 1969 book,
Bargain. It's bargain. I think.
Bargain. Yeah.
Bargain. Yeah.
Yeah. Bargain or
Bargaining.
negotiation.
Bargaining.
Okay.
So, when I was proposing psychology, I was trying to say Kubler-Ross, one question will be there.
That was right there.
Psychology was the most accessible of all the sets. Huh?
I swear.
Also, do a score check just to build up
Yeah.
intrigue. Or
Yeah.
One moment.
So East India Company is at 27 and 21 calling Rajiv is at 37.
30?
37.
37 is correct for us.
We have 27.
Yeah, 27 is correct. Yeah. 37, 27.
Okay, so 2021 calling Rajiv. It was between A and B.
We always
A,
do
right?
that, right? Yeah.
First question. Part of Greece and located in the Aegean Sea, which numerically named island group comprises 15 major islands and several small islands. The campaign during the Second World War between September and November 1943 that bears the name of this island group resulted in a German.
So, this should be duodecanese, though it says 15, but the good old days, they used to be 12 only. I think this is a googly question. You have any other name?
I like
Named
duodecan.
island?
Go for it.
I
go for
like
it.
that.
Anything else?
Only other thing I had in my mind was Navarone, but that's not numerically.
Numerically
No,
named.
numerically named does not
The
fit.
Cyclades has 30 islands and it's not named for. So Duodecanese we go with.
Yeah,
Oh,
go for it.
Okay.
Right answer.
Duodecanese.
Spelling mistake. Yeah.
Okay.
Second question. Sensory motor stage, both to 18 to 24 months. Pre-operational stage, 2 to 7 years. Concrete operational stage, 7 to 11 years. And formal operational stage, ages 12 and up. Stages in the cognitive development of children and the theory proposed by which Swiss developmental psychologist. The name might be familiar from that of an unrelated theory.
This is long arms, right? Then there is
Oh,
like-
nice guess. Nice
So
guess.
you're saying Longines, is it? You're saying?
Yeah.
Okay.
Longines. Oh, I did not know this.
Is
Huh?
there a
Is that what you're saying, Udupai?
I vaguely remember a psychologist named Long arms.
See, because it is
Then-
not Jung and Adler who are the others.
No, 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 no.
no, no. And there definitely a
watch
Swiss
brand.
watch named Longines. Yeah.
Okay, fine. Let's go with Longines then. Longines.
Not the right answer. We can
Oh.
Breguet.
East India Company.
I think it's Breguet.
No, not Breguet. It's Piaget.
Piaget. Oh.
Never heard of it.
No, I've heard of a Piaget skill. Now vaguely remember. But it's okay. It doesn't matter.
Third question. At the 50th Annual Grammy Awards 2007, Herbie Hancock's River the Blank Letters won the Album of the Year and the Best Contemporary Jazz. It's a tribute album featuring cover songs of music written by which Canadian singer-songwriter? The Rolling Stone 500 Greatest Albums of All Time, the artist's 1971 album Blue is listed at number 3.
Joni Mitchell. Positive.
Okay.
Album, yeah.
Positive.
Very good.
Yeah, Joni Mitchell.
Indeed, the right answer. Team round B2, East India. George Burns' 2011 book, Pest and Blank, explores the footballing careers of two Manchester United legends, George Best and which other footballer who sadly died in 1958, aged 21, due to injuries sustained after an air crash.
Would be Duncan Edwards, right?
Who else?
Yeah,
Your
probably.
guess.
Okay, we'll go with
Go
that.
with the right one. Have a guess.
Duncan Edwards.
Is the right answer. Second question.
The others had died before, he died after. Yeah.
No,
She
he died in
went
the
to-
crash only.
After, meaning not immediate. Few days.
Viva la vida.
Yeah, yeah. Viva la vida.
the right answer. Cool. So the third question, the last question of the quiz. Lasting from around October 17th, 1854 till September 11th, 1855.
Sevastopol. Sevastopol.
Yeah, yeah. That's what I was thinking too. Okay, let's go with that. Anyone else has no other guess, right?
No.
No.
Okay. Sevastopol.
That's the right answer.
Nice.
Cool. So that brings us to the end of the quiz. What's the final score?
East India
41 to
Company.
33, I think.
Yeah, yeah.
Sorry, 33 and
41.
43. 41.
Well done. Congratulations.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, guys.
Bye.
Nice and tough set, Movin. At least the first
Oh,
half.
hell yes. My God.
Yeah, pretty tough. Yeah.
Yeah, sorry about that, but
No. It's fun. Yeah, it's fun. It's tough for both. So
yeah, correct. Australian scored 49 today.
wow.
Who did?
49.
Australia.
No, our choices in the first set were not good. So
Horrible.
No. I mean, they beat us. Yeah. So Australia is at this point better than us. So it's okay. Chalo.
it's okay.
Bye.